Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we will talk about generators. So in last video we discussed about iterator and then you can see the difference. So first of all we will talk about advantages over the iterator. So you can see here first advantage, cleaner code. So we can make a cleaner code if we are using iterator. Iterator can work with infinite sequences. So let's say your sequences have infinite number of elements, it will work for that. Iterator save resources. So resources in the sense whatever you are using in your RAM and it will be asked at the same moment. So let's say you are having 1 MB file and you want to iterate each element one by one. So only on RAM it will iterate one by one. So this is called iterator. So what is generator? Let's see. So generators is an easier way to create iterators. So always remember it is also a iterator, but generators is an easier way to create iterators using a keyword yield from a function. So this is a easier way to create the iterators. Generators is also an iterator, but it is a easiest way. So let's say how we can create. You can see here in my screen defined with def keyword. Def means it is a function. And inside the function, if you will use yield keyword, then it will become generator. And it will return an iterator. So always remember, iterator is having two methods. One is next, one is itr. And generators is having yield keyword inside the function. So let's see how we can create the generators. So the first requirement is it should be a function. So let's say def my generator. So my gen. And then let's say if I'm having some values, so name is a variable which contains Rohan and age equals 90 and dob we can say 20 July 2018. So these are the three values, and if I will use yield inside any function, it will become a generator. So let's say yield name. Let's try to call this function. So print, I will call mygen. So let's see what is the output. You can see generator object mygen at this. This is the hex form of the location we can say. So this is a generator. So whenever you will use yield inside the function, it will become the generator. But how you will iterate? This will return an iterator. So this is called iterator. So in last video you saw how we can iterate it. So you can create an iterator. So let's say my underscore itr. This is my iterator, and I will call this function. And now we can use print my itr dot next, because iterator is having two functionality. One is next, one is itr. So using next function you can iterate. So see the output, Rohan. It is having only one value inside the iterator, then it will returns Rohan. So let's say I want again. So I'm calling the next element again. So you can see stop iteration error because iterator is having only one value. So is it possible you can send here using comma age? So let's see the output, stop iteration. So it's not possible. You cannot send the two values using yield. Using return is possible. Using yield it's not possible. So you have to use another yield. Yield age. And now it will work. 90. So always remember you cannot send the too many values with yield. Only one value with one yield. And let's say if I want to set this dob as well with my iterator, so dob, and now if I will iterate using next, so you can see control C, control V, you can see now I can be able to iterate the all values. So it depends on how many yields you are using, then it will contain only that amount of values inside your iterator. So this is the difference between generator and iterator. And let's say what happen if I will again ask for the next element. The same error you will see here in last video also. So you can see stop iteration error. So you can handle it. So it's very simple using try, and this is my syntax where I'm getting the same error, and I can use here exception handling. So accept stop iteration error as ex is the object, and just I will print something iteration stopped. Let's run the program and you can see the output iteration stopped. So now you can see what is the difference between generator and iterator. In generator, always you will use yield keyword and it will be inside a function. Only this is the difference, and this is a easy way to create the iterators. So we can say generator is also an iterator, but all iterators are not generators. Don't confuse. If you're having any confusion, you can post your questions to me. So in next video we will discuss about decorators. So what is the functionality of decorators and where we will use it? We'll see in next video. Thanks for watching.